Hello everyone, Namaskar, Raj Krishna this side, and welcome back to this series on integration where we are learning integration right from the beginning. So, one more question in that series, we have to integrate tan square x this time. Now, important to learn as concept is same for all problems, you have to anyhow use trigonometry to reach to a point where you get some integral whose formula is directly known. We don't know a direct formula for integral of tan square x, but we do know of direct formula for integral of sin x, integral of cos x, integral of secant square x. What I told just now, integral of secant square x. So can you remember anything? Can you recall that in earlier classes we have studied one trigonometric identity that 1 plus tan square x is secant square x? We have studied it in earlier classes. So, can we use it because we already know integral of secant square x? So now it is very easy for us to change the given integral in term of secant square x. How can we do so? From here, if you take 1 to the other side, so I can tell secant square x minus 1 is same as tan square x. So integrating tan square x is same as integrating secant square x minus 1. So let's do so. Integral of secant square x minus 1 and a dx. Now we can separate this. So if you separate this, you will get integral of secant square x dx, which we know, minus integral of dx, which can be written as x power 0 dx. Integral of secant square x, I have already told you, that is simple tan x. Integral of x power 0 is x power 0 plus 1 divided by 0 plus 1. I hope by this time you already have that practice of writing and further you are directly going to say integral of dx is going to be x. Okay, you don't need to think much as and when you change or transform from beginner to good student of integration, then this is directly although beginner will solve this like 1 into dx, then he will replace this 1 by x power 0, then he will use the formula of x power n, which is this, and then he will finally say the answer is x, but you can directly say x. Okay, so write this as x and a constant c as always. So that's how simple, just a 3-step problem is there. And similar you can also get integral of cot square x, and that you can also, just giving you a hint, that 1 plus cot square x is cosec square x. Okay, so this way you can start framing questions yourself also. I might come to that later on in this series. While revising, I will come to integral of cot square x, but that by that time that will be a piece of cake for you, because same result is there for cot square x also. Okay, so that's it. That's how simple it is. You can watch the series by checking my description, integration 2023, and do also share this to your friend so that he or she is also able to learn the concept of integration. Thanks again.